This video is about preprocessor directives in Unity. The platform-dependent compilation feature allows you to partition your scripts to compile and execute code for specifically a targeted platform. Creating a new script, name it as platform defines. And for the demonstration, I have this Unity sample code. This example makes a use of existing platform using hash define directives with the hash if compiler directive. And whenever we want to be a script run only to specific platform. For example, in the line number 7, we are using a hash if Unity editor and giving a debug.log and hash and if. And that's how we define the code according to the platform. It will run only in the Unity editor. Next, we have Unity iOS. That means that will run only on the iOS device. My current platform of this project is macOS. That's why it's gray out. The next is for macOS and the last one is for the Windows. Switching back to Unity and we will see what will run. Create an empty game object and name it as platform test. And attach the platform defined script to it. Enter the play mode and open the console window. And we have the result as expected. It's printed Unity editor because we are in the Unity editor, and macOS because we are in the macOS platform. Open the project settings, so you see our target platform is at macOS. You can open the Unity documentation to see more directives. And that's it for the preprocessor directives. I hope this video helps you. If you have any question, you can always ask me. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next.